Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. It's going to be all about beauty and makeup and skincare and hair care and nail care and self-care. More specifically, self-care by Farmasi. I have been a beauty influencer with Farmasi for about 4.5 months now, and I completely love it. I tried the products one time and I was so hooked that I immediately signed up. I actually left another company to sign up because I felt that strongly about how good the products were. A little bit about me. I'm a stay-at-home mom, divorced, and I have 3 children, all boys, and the youngest one has autism. And so for me, staying home and making sure I'm there for him when he gets off the bus and that he's not shipped to a different person every day or getting off the bus at a different place, which is, not good for a kid with autism. They need routine. It was very important to me. And so I tried my best while I was going to school to continue to be a stay-at-home mom after the divorce for that reason. And I tried a couple different things, and none of them really stuck. They didn't really bring in much money, or people lost interest. And what I found with Farmasi is that the prices are so good, because for high-end makeup you're paying drugstore prices, and with my other company, $30 for a mascara was just a bit out of most people's reach. So if they could get the same look with a mascara that costs $9, why wouldn't they? I mean, that's why I did it. And signing up, it doesn't mean you have to sell. It's great if you do, but you get 50% off, which means I'm getting my mascara for $4.45. You can't beat that. You can't do that unless you go to a dollar store. So you know what the quality is like at a dollar store. So what I want to talk to you about today is this kit right here. That super cute box that you just saw in my hands is a starter kit for Farmasi. Now, most starter kits you get with most companies, you're paying $100, $200, $499. I've bought them, so I know. And what was special about Farmasi was when you buy that little box for $19.99, which it's unheard of to start a business for $19.99, right? But I did, so I know you can. For $19.99, you get that box, and that box comes with catalogs. It comes with information on the compensation plan. It comes with a color matching chart, different products that we sell. It comes with samples. I think I got like 10 lipstick samples. I got strips of baby samples, men's samples, foundation samples, things that you can either use or you can give away to draw in business. It came with bags for your first sales. Face cream. It came with this, sitting right in front of me. That big. Now, $20 is a starter kit. It's that cute little box. And what that means is you get your own website. You can sell, or you can buy your own makeup at 50% off through that website. When you sign up, you are offered one time only on the day that you sign up expansion packs for if you were going to sell or if you just want more product. One is $49, one is $125, one is $200. What they are is full-size products. Hold on, baby. Full-size products. Sorry, guys. Full-size products, foundations, face creams, hand creams, masks, lotions, men's, babies. Some of them have perfume, I'm not sure. I don't think the household cleaners come in there yet, but there's a variety of products. And you get double your money worth of products when you buy these, sometimes more. Like, A lot of stuff comes in these boxes, and you're not obligated to buy them. It's totally optional. You can sign up for $20 and be done. Now, what do you do with that $20? For $20, you probably spend that in a week on coffee at Starbucks. Maybe more, because it's Starbucks, guys. But what you can do with that $20 is, first of all, you'll make that $20 back pretty much instantly on your first sale. So you have no more investment. You don't have to have products in stock. You can have people order online. You can order online by the order. So you don't have to pay $800 to have a whole house full of products to sell. So that being said, if you just sign up for the discount, that's great. You get great quality makeup. You get lipsticks, liquid matte lipstick. Stuff lasts for like 8-9 hours. Unheard of. It's just amazing stuff. Zen mascara, comparable to the fiber mascaras that other companies offer. Less than half the price. Less than a third of the price for Zen mascara. You can't beat it. If you do choose to sell, there are so many ways to make money. You get paid monthly, and for every $200 that you sell in the first 4 months, if you sell $200, you get a welcome pack. You also get a 3% bonus for every $200 you sell, up until 12%, and then it's every 400, I believe. Point being, you have every month a chance to make several promotions, several bonuses, sign-up bonuses, car bonuses, vacation bonuses, cash bonuses. You get what I'm saying? There's, I think, 11 ways total to make money and get bonuses every month, if you want to put that into it. You don't have to. You can sell just to your family and friends. You can use the discount for yourself. Or you can grow your business, which is what I choose to do. I'd really like to help you with this. So if you have any questions at all, you can comment below. My links are on my page. And feel free to join my VIP group. You can email me, however you need to get a hold of me. If you want to do this, I want to be there for you. Let me know.